saw the noise, the fragile rabbits began to scamper off as fast as they could go. They came to monkeys. Why are you running? Asked the monkey. Cloud is coming, cried the rabbit. Run for your life! And the monkeys began to run as fast as they could, following the rabbit. They came to Antelope. Why are you running away? Asked Antelope. Haven't you heard? Screamed the monkey. Cloud is coming, run for your life! And Antelope ran away with others. They came to bears. Where are you going? Asked the bear. Haven't you heard? Called the antelope. Cloud is coming, run for your life! And the bears began to run too. They came to tigers. Where are you running from? Asked the tigers. Haven't you heard? Screamed the bears. Cloud is coming, run for your life! And the tigers sprang out and began to run with the rest. All the frightened animals came to an old lion with great golden mane. Why are you animals running away? Said the lion. Haven't you heard? Roared the tigers. Cloud is coming, run for your life! Who is Cloud? Asked the lion. Did any of you tigers see him? Roar! Said the tigers. The bears told her. Dad, did any of you bears see him? No. Said the bears. The antelope told her. Well, Dad, did any of you antelope see him? Oh, no. Said the antelope. The monkey told her. Dad, did any of you monkeys see him? Said the monkey. The rabbit told us. Well, Dad, did the rabbit see him? Said the rabbit. But we heard him. All of us heard loud with our own ears. Let us go back to the place where you heard this sound, said the lion.